I love sitting out back here. It's just so beautiful. This camera on this phone is just tremendous. I said that before, I think, but it is. Works really well. Nobody's home except for me. I'm stuck at home. Don't have a vehicle. Still saving. Hopefully I can get something soon. I'll need something anyway unless I'm going to take a bus. Maybe I'll take a bus. Who knows? But buses these days are crowded. Like just full of people. You can hardly, you can standing room only. That's what Jacob said. He takes a bus downtown sometimes because he doesn't want to park down there. But I'm just doing kind of a chat here today. Nothing on the agenda when it comes to word studies. The last one I did on suffering was great because we all suffer some sort of pain and strain in this life. But I finished my last and final exam. So now it's just a matter of the practicum. I think the school sets that up where I just go to a job and do on-the-job training type of thing, which is fine. Not that I wanted to go back working in the public, but I have no choice. A person has to make some kind of a living to survive. But it'll be interesting. Probably a learning thing. Nothing wrong with learning. Nothing wrong with learning and growing. I prefer the growth of God no matter what situation I'm in. So if it's growth that God gives in any situation through experience, is great. But yeah, so don't know how long the practicum is, don't know how many hours I got to do, but we'll find out. They set it all up, so do her up. I just love the quiet back here. It's a bit breezy today. It's been a bit breezy, windy, rainy, but when you get beautiful days like this, you hold dearly to them because it's nice to have the relax and no pressure. Just to relax and enjoy the grace of God, because that's what we have, the grace of God in this current wicked eon. And we survive by that as God gives it. My mouth is way better. I don't have a problem eating and drinking. Do it anyway. So we'll figure out another word study and just gonna enjoy the day. So you enjoy your day. Grace and peace.